before and after. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. This is your boy Luke. So back at you again with my wife's minivan. It's a 2019 Kia Sedona, just to show you the Highbeam bulbs that Auxito sent me to install for you guys today. From the last time we did the low beams, and the low beams those bulbs were a little bit different. Those are the A7s because of the prongs and the fitment. These are a lot simpler. These are the 9005s. It's a really nice, well-constructed bulb, constructed of 6063 aluminum, has a ZES chip on it, has a dope cooling fan, built-in cooling fan, might you add, totally plug and play, non-polarity sensitive, really nice. And it's 12,000 lumens for the set, so it's 6,000 lumens per bulb. And they last around 30,000 hours, and I'm pretty sure you're not gonna burn that out due to the fact that, you know what I mean, unless you live out in the woods, you're not really using your high beams that much, you know what I'm saying? Depends on the day or the weather or what have you. But anyway, super easy to install, and it's a lot easier than the damn low beams. All you need to do is unscrew this dust cap right here. This is the inner one, closer to the engine. The outer one over here, that is for the low beams. And that is a pain in the ass because there's barely any space on this one, and it's even worse on this side. So we literally just unscrew this dust cap, just like so. Take it out. And you just turn the other one counterclockwise. Pull it out, and you just unplug it, and that's it. So let's get it. All right, guys, food for thought. When you put the bulb in, or before you put it in, now I already checked to see if it worked. I just wanted to show you the finished product in the lens, but let's say this is the angle when you take it out. When you take out the old bulb, you literally turn it counterclockwise, which is this way, and when it gets to this point, you can easily pull it out. Now, the new bulb, you put it in at this angle as well. You're gonna find the grooves for it, and then turn it until you hear the click. And you're gonna hear the click, and that's it. So, just food for thought with that one. All right, guys, the one on the driver's side was a little bit of an annoyance just because of the space limitation. So all I did was I put the bulb in first, and once it's seated properly, just remember it's gonna be really stiff to put in, because this wire down there, it's tied in with they have a zip tie holding down both high beam and low beam wires, so you don't have a lot of play. So I just popped the bulb in first, and now I'm just gonna do like this. And click and slide that in. I'm gonna pop the dust cap back in, and also you saw that the bulb works. Let's see the finished product. All right, guys, there you have it. The install is complete. That's the low beam. The high beam is on the inside. Nice and 6500K white. Damn, that is freaking bright. Guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. I'll show you a clip later on tonight. with the performance of it, but you guys saw earlier in the video how the regular bulbs, they come with freaking halogens. This is a freaking 2019 that came with halogens. That's crazy. So yellow is definitely yellow's got to go. You know what I mean? The white's way better, and it's a nice white too. It's not like a white that hurts your eyes. 6500K is perfect. Anyway, guys, Bill from Auxito, thank you so much for sending this. And once again, guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay tuned for the clip afterwards. All right, guys, as promised, I want to show you the difference in the lighting output real quick. These are, I'm on a pretty dark road. These are regular low beams right now. Now, just keep in mind, you'll see something shining all the way up there. That's as far as the low beam is hitting the reflective signs on the side of the road. And these are going to be the high beams. Look how much more reflective signs it's hitting all the way up there. That's a lot of light. That's a lot of light. It's pretty damn cool. Guys, as I told you before, 6,000 lumens per bulb, 6500K white. It's a really, really nice white. So again, low beams, and these are the high beams. Once again, Auxito, thanks a lot for the bulbs. Guys, I'll talk to you soon. Take it easy.